Hey there, ready to turn a measly $100 into 10 grand? Let's get into the $100 challenge. Grab your coffee and let's make some money moves, shall we? First things first, pick a niche, and I mean a micro niche. Don't go broad like fashion. Go narrow like vintage denim jackets. The more specific, the better. Why? Because less competition means more opportunity to shine. Next, hit up garage sales, thrift shops, and online marketplaces. Use that $100 to buy undervalued items you can flip for a profit. Think of it as treasure hunting, but with a sweet payday at the end. Found a vintage Levi's jacket for $20? Sell it online for $100? Boom! You're already up 80 bucks. All right, now it's time to hustle online. Create a killer listing on eBay, Etsy, or even Instagram. Good photos are a must, folks. No one wants to buy your stuff if it looks like it was shot with a potato. And write a description that makes people feel like they need that item. Be witty, be fun, but most importantly, be honest. Now let's talk reinvestment. Don't just blow your profits on avocado toast. Use them to buy more inventory. Each time you flip an item, your profit grows. It's like a snowball effect, but instead of snow, it's cash. And who doesn't love cash? Also, leverage social media. Create a brand around your flips. Share your journey, post before and after pics, and engage with your followers. They'll become your biggest supporters and buyers. And if you're feeling extra savvy, use some of that profit to run targeted ads. Trust me, it works wonders. Okay, quick recap. Pick a niche, hunt for undervalued items, list them like a pro, reinvest your profits, and use social media to build your brand. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to turning that $100 into $10,000. And hey, who knows, maybe you'll blow past that and hit six figures. Dream big, right? So get out there and start flipping. And remember, the only thing standing between you and your $10,000 is a little hustle and a whole lot of creativity. You've got this. See you in the next video.